Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Voice of English. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in this situation? You're watching a TV show in English, maybe Friends or The Office. You're excited because you've studied English for years. You know lots of words. You can even understand your teacher when they speak. But then the moment those native actors start talking to each other, boom, it's like they switched into another language. The words blur together, the sentences feel like a race, and all you can think is, wait, was that even English? If that's ever happened to you, don't worry. You're not alone. Every English learner struggles with this. And the good news is, it's not your fault. Native English really does sound fast, but there are reasons for it. And more importantly, there are ways to train your ears so you can finally catch it. That's what today's episode is all about. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why native English sounds so fast, how you can train to understand it, and how to stay motivated when it feels frustrating. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Now let's begin with the why. Why does understanding fast English even matter? Well, picture this. You're traveling in London and you stop someone on the street to ask for directions. You say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the train station is?" They smile and answer, "Yeah, sure. Just head down this road, then hang a left at the lights. It's right past the pub. Can't miss it." If you've only trained with slow textbook English, that sentence probably felt like one giant blur. But if you've trained your ears for natural speed, you'll catch it easily. And suddenly the conversation feels natural and fun. That's the power of fast English. It gives you confidence. It helps you connect with people. And it gives you freedom. Freedom from subtitles. Freedom from rewinding every 5 seconds. Freedom to enjoy English the way it's meant to be spoken. So this skill isn't just about language. It's about real life. But why does native English sound so fast? Let's break it down. First, connected speech. Native speakers love to connect words together. Instead of saying, "What do you want to do?" they'll say, "What do you want to do?" It's like the words are magnets. They just stick. Second, reductions. English loves to shrink words. Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Let me becomes lemme. I once had a student ask me, "Teacher, who is this Ghana? He's in every movie." And it's true. Reductions can feel like a whole new vocabulary. The third reason is rhythm. English is stress-timed. That means some words are loud and clear while others almost disappear. For example, I'm going to the store. A native might only stress, I'm going store. The little words like to and the vanish into the background. So when you put all of this together, it's not that natives are speaking too fast. It's that they're speaking differently than what you learned in textbooks. It's the same English, but with shortcuts and rhythm changes. Guided practice number 1. Hearing connected speech. Let's practice this together. I'll say a phrase slowly. then naturally. You repeat after me. Ready? Slow. What do you want to do? Natural. What do you want to do? Repeat that with me. Good. Slow. I am going to eat. Natural. I'm gonna eat. Your turn. Nice work. Slow. Let me help you. Natural. Let me help you. One more time. Great. Can you hear how the words connect and shrink? That's the sound of real English. Now, let's talk about how you can train your ears. The first step is slow to fast training. Take a short clip from Netflix or YouTube. First, listen at slow speed, maybe 75%. Catch every word, then listen again at normal speed. You're teaching your brain step by step. Step 2 is to work with short clips. Don't overwhelm yourself with a whole movie. Just pick 10 or 20 seconds. Listen multiple times. First without subtitles, then with subtitles, then again without. Step 3 is to train for connected speech. Make yourself a little list of reductions. Gonna, wanna, lemme, gimme, whatcha. Say them out loud until your mouth gets used to them. Guided practice. Number 2. Quick shadowing let's. Shadow together. I'll say a natural English phrase, and I want you to repeat immediately after me. Don't pause too long. Try to match my speed. Ready? I'm gonna call my friend. Good. What you doing later? Nice. Let me see that. Excellent. Don't worry if you're not perfect. The goal is rhythm, not perfection. Step 4 is shadowing longer sentences. Shadowing means repeating exactly what you hear, like an echo. Play a short clip, then copy the speed and rhythm. It's like karaoke for your brain. And step 5, daily immersion. Surround yourself with English every single day. Even 5 minutes. A day adds up. Now let's face the challenges. Challenge number 1. You can't catch every word, and you don't need to. Focus on meaning. Challenge 2. Frustration. Yes, it's tough. But remember, listening is like a muscle. Challenge 3. Subtitles. Use them smartly. Not all the time. Challenge 4. Forgetting. Keep a notebook. Challenge 5. No practice partners. That's okay. You can practice with yourself. Guided reflection. Pause and think. Want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself, when was the last time you felt frustrated with fast English? What exactly made it difficult? Was it vocabulary, speed, or connected speech? Take a second to think about your answer. If you want, say it out loud in English. Good. Just by reflecting, you're becoming more aware of your learning process. So, how do you stay consistent? The answer is small steps, just 5 minutes a day. Make it part of your routine. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins. Guided practice. 3. Real-life simulation. Let's do a quick simulation. Imagine you're in a cafe. I'll be the native speaker. Ready? I say, "Hey, how's it going? You want to grab a coffee?" Now you respond. Good. I say, "Cool, let me get a latte. What you having?" Your turn. Excellent. That's how you train for real conversations. Finally, let's wrap this up with some motivation. Understanding fast native English isn't about talent. It's about training. Step by step, day by day, you'll get there. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll watch a movie or have a conversation, and you'll think, wow, I understood that without subtitles. That's the breakthrough we're aiming for. So don't give up. Keep practicing, stay patient, and remember, every small win is a big step toward fluency. Thank you so much for joining me today on the English Learning Podcast. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English. And remember, the more you practice, the more natural English becomes. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and never stop learning.